On today's body cam, we're checking out woman resists arrest after trespassing at bank.
Just get my pocketbook.
Hold on, I'm trying to get this
You
out.
can't arrest me for trespassing.
You're getting arrested.
I'm not getting arrested. Get somebody else.
On July 20th, 2023 in Orlando, Florida, what started as a routine disturbance call at a local bank quickly turned into something far more serious. According to police, officers were called after a woman refused to leave the property despite being warned. At first glance, it sounds straightforward, but it didn't stop there.
What's up, man?
It's quite the look.
Well, haven't they trespassed you for me?
No, this lady in here. They're talking to this lady in here. Not me. She's saying about that lady in here, not me.
No, they're saying you.
Me?
Yeah.
Why me?
They said a white male.
Why now?
Mm-hmm. Black shirt.
Let's go talk to them. Don't ask them.
What's up, man?
Lady at the ATM, she was previously trespassed from the property. She came back, I just advised her to leave, and she's not.
Do you want to press charges?
We just want her, yeah.
So you do want to press charges? That means she's going to go to jail.
Huh?
She's going to jail. Pamela.
Assume the position.
No, I don't have a trespass here.
You do, Pamela.
No, I don't.
You do, I'm
Someone
telling
came
you.
in here and told me he had a problem. He had a Western Union, and they wouldn't wait on him.
Okay.
I don't have a trespass here.
Pamela, you
I
do.
have an account here.
You getting them gloves on, man.
Let's have somebody else. I don't have a trespass
You
here.
do, Pamela.
No,
You can't
don't
leave.
touch me.
You can't leave, okay?
No, don't tell me what to do.
No.
Get out of my way.
Pamela,
Get out of my way.
It always amazes me that you had all this time to leave. You wasn't supposed to be there in the first place. But now all of a sudden the cops arrive. Now you want to leave. Why do the cops have to be called in order for somebody to leave? Doesn't make no sense, man.
Pamela, you're going
I
to jail
have
now,
an
okay?
account here.
Pamela, you're going to jail.
I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah.
Get out of my way.
No, there's nowhere.
Get out of my way.
Pamela, relax.
No, I'm not going to relax. You touch me. Don't touch me.
Pamela?
Get out of my way. I don't know who you are.
Pamela?
Who you're talking to.
Stop, relax.
All right. Don't
Oh,
tell
boy.
me
Pamela.
I have a
I want to
trespass.
throw you down on the ground, okay?
Yeah, you try.
Just calm
Okay?
down, okay?
Okay, I'll calm down.
All right, put your hands on your back.
No, I'm not going to.
Pamela.
Let me go.
You're going to jail.
Let me go, buddy.
Put your hands on your back.
Let me go.
Put your hands on your back.
Buddy,
Pamela.
don't touch me.
Now you're getting a charge, okay?
No, you're going to get a charge. You have no right.
Come on.
Let me go. Buddy, watch it,
Put
buddy.
Put your hands
Watch
on your
it,
back. Pamela.
buddy. Watch it, buddy. Where's the paperwork for trespass? I'll talk. Buddy,
Just relax.
I'll talk, buddy. How can I have a trespass if I have an account here?
Pamela,
Okay?
relax.
I'll relax then. Okay? I just said I'll talk. Get my bag. How can I have a trespass?
go. Relax.
Get my back and I'll relax.
Relax.
Okay.
Relax.
I'll relax and talk to you. All right.
Look, you're normally calm.
Yes, I don't have
You never give me an issue.
All right.
Why are you giving me an issue today?
Because you're bodily harming me.
No, I'm not.
I don't have a trespass here.
Pamela.
I have an account
Pamela,
here.
you're a trespass, okay?
I don't have any paperwork.
Okay.
You have somebody
come on.
uncomfortable.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it off.
All right, can we talk?
No. Come on.
Until you pull up the paperwork.
Nope.
Get my pocketbook.
Pamela, stop.
Get my pocketbook.
We're gonna get it. We're gonna get
Get it now.
Pamela.
Where's the paperwork? Where's the paperwork, buddy? Get my pocketbook. You'd act like this, buddy. My pocketbook's in there with my ID.
Show me.
Officer,
Whiskey Foxtrot.
I don't have a trespass here. Where's the paperwork? That's all I said. Get my
Is
pocketbook.
this wig on you all the way?
Will you please stop it?
Is this wig on you all the
Let
way?
me go and I'll talk. Stop it. Let me go and I'll talk. My pocketbook's in there. It fell over the
Relax,
top.
Pamela.
All right.
Calm down.
All right, but I don't.
Pamela, you're never like this. You're always very
Yes,
cordial.
but I want you to look it up.
No, you are.
I was in there yesterday.
They have a paper, okay?
It's not
Why
me,
don't
it's somebody else.
Pamela, it's you. I know
I
who you
didn't
are.
sign a paper.
You don't have to sign a paper, okay?
Will
They
you
want
get
to
my
press charges.
pocketbook?
They ask you to leave. You refuse to leave.
Can I get my pocketbook?
I'm gonna get it.
And I want you to show me. I was in there yesterday.
Okay.
Okay, it wasn't me. It was somebody using my name. I have an account here.
Yeah, but just because you were in there yesterday doesn't mean that you're still not trespassed, because you know, it could be somebody different working there that may not be familiar with you or may not have looked at the wall, because what's that? That looked like a check cashing place or whatever. Typically, them type of spots, they got like, you know, the photos when they trespass you. That's why a lot of places take photos. They have it hung up somewhere in the back in their office there or whatever. So they probably didn't, you know, looked at it and stuff like that. So yeah, you may have been there, but it doesn't mean you were supposed to be there. Just like if you go and steal something, right? We see these shoplifters all the time stealing from Walmart and Target. This is not their first time stealing. They have gotten away with it before, but they're testing their luck and they do it again. And eventually your luck is gonna run out.
If you want me trespassed here, I'll cancel the account. My pocketbook's in there, over the counter. I want it. All right, why are you arrested? What, trespass?
You're always very
Because
cordial. Today you've
there's
been nasty.
100 people using my name. I'm under federal investigation.
Pamela, you're being real nasty.
Yes,
You know-
because everywhere I go, they're telling me I'm doing stuff and it's not me.
Pamela, you know it was you.
Oh, all right. Just get my pocketbook.
Hold on. I'm trying to get this
You
out.
can't arrest me for trespass.
Pamela, you're getting arrested.
I'm not getting arrested. Get somebody else here. Get my pocketbook for my ID. And that's all my stuff. I don't want it stolen. Get my pocketbook. I'm not getting arrested for trespass.
You want to bet?
I had no reason. I didn't have anything.
You want to bet that you didn't get arrested?
Nobody said nothing to me. You got somebody else.
Okay.
Go get my pocketbook. Now get my ID.
Is your ID in the
It's
pocket?
probably somebody that doesn't have my ID of Florida. That's all I'm saying. If you don't want me in there, I'll cancel the account. I'm leaving in 2 days.
Oh, where you going?
I'm going back to New York.
To New York?
Yes, but I was in New
Oh, nah. Stay over there. Stay over there. We don't need you coming over here. We got enough cuckoo people, man. Stay right over there. Go to Florida. That's where all the New Yorkers go. Go over there. Please do not come back, man.
Yesterday wasn't me, buddy.
I've seen
It
him
was
here for
somebody
a long
else.
time. I don't
How
think...
evil? I don't understand, but I'm under federal investigation. There's 100 people using my name.
You have a pocket? You have any pockets?
No, there's
Yeah, I'm gonna put 'em
you're not
back.
listening to me.
Listen, relax, okay?
I'm gonna relax if you listen to me.
Okay.
All right,
Do you
so
have any weapons on you?
that's my ID. You can check, buddy. I don't have a trespass here. There's 100 people using my name. Stop it. You're not going to arrest me for that.
Is that weight caked on you?
Yes, it doesn't come up. Just get my pocketbook and look up my ID. I just came in from Savannah. Okay, I don't even know what you're talking about. I was here 2 days ago. They got 100 people using my name. I've been in Sheriff Orange County, the front doors. I'm under federal investigation. They're all over the place, and they don't know what kind of ID. But get my pocket, you can look it up. And we'll talk. And we'll talk. And we'll talk. So the thing is, if they want me trespass here,
Watch out.
hold on.
Let me get your cuffs, okay?
If they want me trespass here, When I go to New York,
I could believe that she is from New York or in the vicinity. She got like an Italian, New York, New Jersey accent. You know, if you know, you know. But she got that either like that Brooklyn Italian accent or that Jersey. She has the accent for sure. We'll talk. We'll talk.
they got 100 people using my name, okay? Do you understand?
Pamela, they know who you are, okay?
No, they don't.
You live right here. You live out.
I just got in from Savannah. I get in Savannah.
Pamela, I've seen you plenty of. I know who you are.
Buddy, you're not listening to me. Listen, if they want, I want my car to
We're
work.
gonna get it. We're gonna get
They're not gonna arrest me for trespass.
yes.
Come on. Get my car to work. You gotta hate your guts.
I'm gonna get your pocketbook. I promise.
Okay, they got 100 people using my name. What about my suitcases? I'm gonna lose everything.
Go inside.
Get my car to
Go
work.
inside. Go inside.
Pack a back.
Get my car to
Sit
work.
down, Pamela.
I'll cancel every account in the United States.
You're
Get
going to
my
jail. You're going to jail. Can you get a register right there real quick? I'm gonna grab that, and then I'm gonna get them started on the statement.
Pack a back.
Alright. So just right there, you see the gray box? Like right. Yeah, this one right here. Just put your print your name right here. And then today, at such and such time, you observed Pamela, who was, trespassed on July 8th. On paper, you asked her. Did you ask her to leave?
Yes.
You asked her to leave. She refused to leave. You called police and you wish to press charges on behalf of Am Scott. That's pretty much it.
Is this her old one?
On the above day and approximate time, I witnessed Pamela such and such come in here, and she has been previously trespassed from this establishment because of X, Y, and Z. She was acting very irrational, didn't want to get out when I approached her. When I approached her, she started yelling very loud, getting very angry. It seems like it was really in an aggressive tone, and she took a fighting stance towards me. She actually took a fighting stance towards me, and I was very nervous. Even though we're divided by glass here, you never know with some of these people. You gotta, and so on and so on. You know what I mean? Gotta get that paperwork right, man.
Just that bag, not all that stuff, sir? What about all that stuff over there? Oh, hell no.
I wasn't with her I was with her, and when I took the chain and everything, these are her belongings. So maybe noted on body camera, this is what I saw on her person when I arrested her. So I'm not going to be searching around. I don't know what's what. Ooh, that could be something else. I'm not going to...
This could probably fit in a big bag anyways.
Yeah, I think so too. I thought it was actually bigger.
What began as a trespassing complaint at a bank ended with an arrest. By the end of the encounter, Pamela was facing 3 charges: battery on a law enforcement officer with a $2,500 bond, resisting an officer with violence with a $1,000 bond, and trespass on property after warning, carrying a $500 bond. If you want more content,
subscribe, let the 808 slide.